It's midnight. You're staring at your bank account, wondering where all the money went. Payday felt like a celebration, but here you are. Again, rent due, groceries needed. That savings plan you swore you'd start? Still just an idea. You tell yourself, next month will be different. But deep down, you know, it won't. Because no one ever taught you how to make it different. Here's the truth. Most of us go through life reactive, not proactive. We wait for our next paycheck, spend it, and repeat the cycle. But what if you could make your money work for you instead? The secret isn't in working harder, it's in working smarter. And it starts with one question. Where is your money going? Tracking your spending is the simplest, most powerful step you can take. Most of us don't have an income problem. We have a spending problem. If you don't know where your money is going, you can't control it. And if you can't control it, you can't grow it. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Most people get paid and immediately pay everyone else. The landlord, the credit card company, the subscription services. But what about you? Your future. From this moment forward, every dollar you earn has a purpose. Before you spend a cent, put a small percentage into savings. Think of it as a bill, a non-negotiable payment to your future self. Even if it's just $10 at first, that habit will grow into something powerful. What you save today could turn into financial freedom tomorrow. And here's where the magic happens: compound interest. The earlier you start, the less you have to save. Money saved today doesn't just sit there. It works for you. Most of us go through life thinking we have time. Time to save, time to invest, time to figure it all out. But the truth is, time isn't just passing. It's quietly deciding our future for us. The question is, will you take control before it's too late? A simple investment of $5 a day, less than your daily coffee, can grow into $100,000 over 30 years. Time is your greatest ally, but only if you use it. And the best time to start? Right now. Rule 2. Learn the difference between wants and needs. Your rent? A need. A new phone every year? That's a want. Cutting back on wants doesn't mean you're living a boring life. It means you're prioritizing freedom over fleeting pleasure. Every dollar you don't spend on a want is a dollar closer to breaking free from the cycle. And finally, Rule 3. Invest in knowledge. The difference between those who struggle financially and those who thrive often comes down to one thing: education. Not the kind you find in school, the kind you seek out yourself. Read books, watch videos, learn how money works. Most financial stress doesn't come from not making enough. It comes from not managing what you already have. You don't need to be a millionaire to build wealth. You need a plan. At the end of the day, the financial advice that can change everything isn't flashy or complicated. It's this: start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. Because the life you want, it's closer than you think.